Hello and welcome in Transylvania. Behind me you can see a very old fortress of the Teutonic Knights, a Knights order founded during of the Crusades for the liberation of the Jerusalem in the 12th century. Those Teutonic Knights are a German order, founded is the last important order of knights after the Hospitallers and after the Templars. And a group of these Teutonic Knights was invited by the Hungarian king here in Transylvania to organize the defense of the province against the Cumans, against the Tartars, against the Ottomans, and to starting to build wooden citadels and collect taxes for the Hungarian crown. This fortification behind me, it's one of these fortresses built by those Teutonic Knights. It's called Feldioara. It came from a Hungarian name, Földvár, which it means fortress made by dirt and wood. And another fortification also made by wood of these Teutonic Knights. It is in Bran, near Brașov. On that rock where they built the first fortification, we have today the famous Dracula's castle. Those Teutonic Knights stayed here between 1211 and 1225, and they called their fortress with the name of Marienburg, which it means the city of Mary, because Virgin Mary was their protector. After this period of time, they were banished by the Hungarian king because they became too powerful and too rich for his taste, and they was a menace for the Hungarian king. So he sent them away, and they were going to Poland, where they founded another fortified city called as well Marienburg. And after another period of time, they were banished again by the Polish king. And during of that battle, a very decisive moment was the one when some Romanian knights, sent by Alexander the Good, Alexandru cel Bun, a ruler from Moldova, they was interfering in this fight, and they defeated a large group of Teutonic Knights, inclining the balance in the favor of the Polish king. So this fortification behind me was renovated. It's one of the most beautiful citadels here in Transylvania, and I wait you to come to see it, booking a tour with us on visittransylvania.ro or on Visit Transylvania Travel on Google, and I'm waiting for you to come this summer in here to see a simply surprising country, which is Romania, and to have me as your guide. Thank you very much.